Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Reaper here, back with another Reaper Bones mini. This time around it is the female Minotaur from the Bones 4 Kickstarter set. She was primed in usual German Panzer Grey, and the first colour I'm using is Fur Brown by Army Painter for all of her skin. With the skin finished, I moved on to Dark Flesh Tone by Vallejo for all of her hair. For her horns, I used Banshee Brown by Army Painter. I forgot when I was recording to do her eyes, but this is the perfect time to do that as it's the same colour. Now that the horns are finished, I used Charred Brown by Vallejo to do her hooves and axe handle. I then moved on to her clothing, starting with Dungeon Grey for her loincloth. Next, I used Uniform Grey for the back of her armour and her sword sheath. Finally, for the clothing, I used Ash Grey for all the various straps and belts around her. With the clothing all finished, I moved on to the metallic, starting with plate mail metal for practically everything that's metallic. After I finished the silver, I used greedy gold to add some accents to various parts of her armor, just to make them stand out that bit more. Now I moved on to the washi, starting with flesh tone for all of her skin and hair. To finish the washes, I used dark tone on everything else on this mini. Finally, with the washes dry, I used matte black to do her eyes and the base. that will be it for the Minotaur. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Drop a comment if there's any Bones 4 minis you want to see painted. But most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.